आज से हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 45 अल जतिया। इसका मतलब है द क्राउचिंग। आज नंबर 1 हा मीन टू द revelation of this book is from Allah the Almighty All-Wise. 3 surely in the creation of the heavens and the earth are signs for the believers. 4 and in your own creation and whatever living beings he dispersed are signs for the people of your faith. 5 and in the alteration of the day and the night for provision sent down from the skies by Allah, reviving the earth after its death, and the shifting of the winds are signs for people of understanding. 6 there are Allah's revelations which we recite to you, O Prophet, in truth. So, what message will they believe in after denying Allah and His revelations? ayat number 7, chapter number 45. Woe to every sinful liar. 8 they hear Allah's revelation recited to them, then persist in denial arrogantly, as if they did not hear them. So give them good news of painful punishment. 9 and whenever they learn anything of our revelations, they make mockery of it. It is they who will suffer a humiliating punishment. 10 awaiting them in hell are worldly gains, will not be of any benefit to them whatsoever, nor will those protectors they have taken besides Allah, and they will suffer a tremendous punishment. 11 this Quran is true guidance, and those who deny their Lord's revelations will suffer the worst torment of agonizing pain. 12 Allah is the one who has subjected the sea for you, so that ships may sail upon it by His command, and that you may seek His bounty, and that perhaps you will be grateful. 13 he also subjected for you whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, all by His grace. Surely in these are the signs for people who reflect. 14 O Prophet, tell the disbelievers to forgive those who do not fear Allah's days of torment, so that He will reward each group for what they used to commit. 15 whoever does good, it is to their own benefit, and whoever does evil, it is to their own loss. Then to your Lord you will all be returned. 16 indeed we gave the children of Israel the scripture, wisdom and prophethood, granted them good lawful provisions, and favored them above the others. 17 we also gave them clear commandments regarding their faith, but it was not until the knowledge came to them that they differed out of mutual envy. Surely your Lord will judge between them on the day of judgment regarding their differences. 18. Now we have set you, O Prophet, on the clear way of faith. So follow it and do not follow the desires of those who do not know the truth. 19. They certainly can be of no benefit to you against Allah whatsoever. Surely the wrongdoers are patrons of each other, whereas Allah is the patron of the righteous. 20. This Quran is an insight for humanity, a guide and a mercy for people of sure faith.